All right, guys, let me show you how I clean my grill. I just had a pretty good cook, and I'll show you the steps involved. So I pulled the grill apart and sprayed it with some Easy Off. It's just oven cleaner, oven and grill cleaner. And so the best thing to do is to preheat your grill parts. Preheat it to about 200 degrees and then spray that on and let it sit for the time that it says on the box. I've got some heavy duty gloves and I'm going to take this inside and wash it in the sink. The other thing I do is I'll use my pressure washer and just wash all of that off. Use the pressure nozzle to blow it all off. But today I'm going to clean it inside in my sink. We've got our parts clean. Now it's time to reassemble. Goes in through the back. We've got our flame tamer. Smoke box. I'm going to set that up there so that I can reload it easily. Got our grill grate. And there you have it, guys. Now we're ready for our next cook. Oops. Almost forgot. There's your drip tray, and don't forget you can get those drip tray liners from Monument Grills. Makes cleanup super easy. Thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard.